Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. How many English words do you know? Maybe 1,000, maybe 5,000, maybe even 10,000. Now, here is something surprising. Even if you know many words, you may still find it difficult to speak a simple sentence. Why does this happen? There is a hidden problem that many learners do not see. And today, you will understand it clearly. And more importantly, you will learn how to fix it. Imagine this. You can understand English. You can read. You can write. But when it is time to speak, you stop. Your mind becomes empty. No words come out. Let me tell you a short story. Maria is from Spain. She studied English. For many years, she learned thousands of words. She could read books easily. She could write very well. But when she tried to speak, she froze. She could not say even one simple sentence. Does this feel familiar? If yes, you are not alone. Millions of learners face this problem. They learn many words, but they cannot use them. This is the real issue. Most people think, to speak English well, I need more words. So they study vocabulary lists. They memorize new words every day. But slowly, they forget something important. Language is not about collecting words. It is about using them. Think about a chef. A good chef does not need thousands of ingredients. They use simple ingredients, but they use them very well. English is the same. You do not need more words. You need to use simple words better. Now listen carefully. Research shows something interesting. In daily life, native speakers use simple words again and again. A small group of words is used most of the time. This means you do not need to know everything. You only need to know what is used most. And here is the important part. Simple words are powerful. They are easy and flexible. For example, take the word get. Get up. Get in. Get ready. Get better. One word. Many uses. This is how real English works. Not difficult words. Simple words. Used in many ways. So, what is fluency? Fluency is not knowing many words. Fluency is using simple words quickly, without thinking. Think about a child. A child does not learn from books. A child repeats simple words again and again and again. Slowly, those words become natural, automatic. That is the secret. Now, what should you do? First, stop trying to learn too many new words. Instead, choose a small group of simple words. Next, make sentences. Short, clear sentences. Say them out loud every day. Then, change the sentences, mix the words, use them in different ways, and most importantly, speak. Even if it feels simple, even if it feels basic. That is okay. Let me show you something. I am experiencing difficulty understanding this. Now listen. I don't understand this. Which one is easier? Which one is faster? Which one feels natural? Yes, the simple one. This is how people speak in real life. Here is a simple practice. Every day, choose a few words. Make sentences. Speak them. Slowly. Clearly. Just 15 minutes. but do it. Every day. After some time, you will notice a change. You will not stop. You will not translate. You will start speaking. Naturally. So, why do many people fail? Because they try to sound smart. They use big words instead of clear words. But communication is not about impressing people. It is about sharing ideas clearly, simply. And when you use simple words well, you feel confident. You do not feel afraid. You speak more freely. So here is your challenge. For the next 30 days, do not focus on new words. Focus on using the words you already know. Speak them. Write them. Think in them. And slowly, your English will change. It will become easier, faster, more natural. Because the truth is simple. You do not need many words. You need the right words, used well. Native speakers already do this. They choose simple words. Big, not enormous. Good, not excellent. Bad, not terrible. Simple, clear, effective. Now the choice is yours. Will you keep learning more words? Or will you start using them? Your journey can start today. It does not have to be difficult. It can be simple. So speak slowly, clearly, with confidence, because your voice matters. And you already have enough words to begin. Now, before you leave, I want to test you. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated, and then do nothing. But a small group will actually take action. Which one are you? Type this in the comments. I will use my 300 words. Not tomorrow, not later, today. Let's see who is serious. I read every comment, and I reply to people who take action. So if you're ready to change your English, prove it. Comment now.